Nowadays, in order to be bougie, debonair, refined, you want to make sure. Did you hear that? You want to make sure that your ringtone is subtle. I mean, it could play anywhere, and only you know that you got a call coming through. This will continue to make this noise until I pick up the call. But it's not so loud or distracting that it's going to interfere with a meeting or anything like that. In fact, at the most, even if you're in a boardroom conference, somebody, maybe one person is going to aggravatingly say, "What's all that noise?" But it's really not that much noise. Most people won't even hear it. And by now, you would have picked up the phone.